Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Mr. Budget's checking in again. Thank you for coming back. You want more? They love me. They love me. They love me. They love me. They really love me. Thank you, and I love you too. To keep the momentum going, you know my wife, she's still decorating the house, so I'm still putting together things. Today, I'm gonna show you how to put together a dresser. These dressers, I believe she ordered from Amazon. Pretty sure she's gonna tell you about that on her channel. So if you haven't already, go over to Shay Budget's channel on YouTube, subscribe, like, share, do what you like. I love her. I'm pretty sure you'll love her also. Go give Shay Budget a follow. So she's ordered these bookshelves. They came in the mail, I believe about 2 days ago. I still haven't put them together, so today I'm gonna be putting them together. Right now she's in a trip in LA, so I'm gonna try to have these put together by the time she gets back. You know, get a little surprise going on. A little surprise element.
Little surprise element. Little surprise element.
I'm about to put these together. She's got 2 of them. I'm gonna put them together. They are as you can see, and they have these pretty big boxes. Let's see, there's 1 piece in each. Let me see if I can get a name. If you're looking for these, the item number is 303-4000. I don't have a make, a model. I know they're made in China. I don't know if this is their logo here. Oops, I lied. Maybe the model number is 0212, or maybe 0. Whatever's in her office that she does this little sticker things on, I put that together, and yeah, they all fall apart. I'm pretty sure y'all saw them. So hopefully these are already attached, because I do not want the same thing to happen. Please, 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 please let these be attached already. Please let these be attached already. I hate these. I hope they're attached to the drawers, to the individual drawers too. Man, that would be so much love. Alright, let's get in here. Let me separate my pieces. Alright, let me see. What am I supposed to do first? Alright, I'm about to spread my pieces out so I can work. Let me move this one over until later. Sorry for flashing you. Ha! Ha! It happens. It happens. It happens. Yes. Alright, so these are already on the dresser part. See, this is what I was talking about. These metal tracks right here, I'm so glad these are already on, because these are a pain to screw on and make sure that they're even, and whew, that just made my day better. All right, so let me put these, I'm gonna lay them how they were, so they must have them in pairs. So I'm just gonna take off both 2 rows. be, but if one item is cracked, I don't like buying stuff that's messed up. But this board, this is of course one of the drawers that slide in and out. You can see the little cracks. You can see the crack on here. You can see the crack on that side. You can see this one's cracked right here. Hairline fracture. I mean, to some people it's not a big deal. Major cracks I care about, but little minor ones, it depends, you know, especially if your thing's white. This one has a crack on it. They kind of did a poor job. The inside of it is cracked. I don't know if y'all can see that. I mean, like, it's not a major deal, but once you put it together and you start seeing all the little small cracks and nicks and knacks and dings and dents.
Cracks and nicks and knacks and dings and dents. Cracks and nicks and knacks and dings and dents.
They kind of add up and it kind of makes it noticeable, especially on something that's white. So I don't know, I'm about to text her and see if she cares about these other pieces being cracked. The other box, ... The other box, ... A few of the drawer pieces have cracks on them. They're smaller, but it's a small crack on each piece. Wait a minute, emoji, send. Let me take these pictures. Alright, I'm back, so. Yes.
Somebody in trouble, dog. Somebody in trouble, dog. Somebody in trouble, dog.
Somebody about to get that kicked.
Shay's mad. Shay's mad.
Alright, so quick update. I didn't get to put neither one of the dressers together because both of them had defects on them. That wasn't my fault. It was probably the mailman's fault. Or it could even be the person who put the dressers in the box, whoever packaged them. There's cracks, there's dings, there's dents, all over the place on both items. You know, at first I thought I was being petty and being too nitpicky, but you know, when you pay money for something, you want it to be right? You know, you get what you pay for, and apparently Shay paid some good money for these dressers. I mean, it looked like it would have been a good quality dresser if it wasn't all dinged up and whatever, but I guess I got a day off today, so I'm not putting together any dressers today. About to get comfortable, watch this Lakers game coming on at 7:30. And that's right. Oh, today's our anniversary of closing. Today is January 20th. We closed December 20th. And oh my goodness, I'm having flashbacks. Oh my goodness, is this PTSD? Oh my goodness, closing day was the worst. So ghetto, would not recommend, as Shay would put it. Yeah, so we've been in here about a month. I'll probably do a 1 month tour update coming up. I'll clean up a little bit, not too much, I mean, because we just gotta put things in the right place. So I'm gonna do like a little 1 month update. Hopefully I can have these dressers put together so I can show you guys, you know, in the closet and everything. Cause that's pretty much what I've been waiting on to do the little tour thing. And I didn't want to take y'all, if y'all saw our dresser right now, which Shay probably showed you, we just have our clothes on the floor waiting for dressers. So the dressers were here, but I give up. Waiting on dressers, house tour coming up, stay tuned. Come back to my channel, Mr. Budgets, yeah!
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 And I'm out.